How often have you said, "I do not have time. I am too tired. I will start tomorrow." Excuses are comfortable. Excuses feel safe. Excuses make you believe you are protecting yourself from failure. But the truth is harsh. Excuses are chains. Excuses are lies you tell yourself to avoid action. Excuses are the silent thieves of your dreams. Every excuse you make costs you a piece of your future. Every delay you allow steals a moment of your potential. Every hesitation gives life away to someone else's success. The people who succeed do not make excuses. They do not wait for permission. They do not wait for perfect conditions. They act. They move forward despite fear. They persist relentlessly. Your future is built on decisions, not excuses. Your dreams are achieved through action, not delay. Your life changes because of the choices you make today, not because of the reasons you give for waiting. Stop making excuses. Start taking control. Your life is waiting. Excuses feel safe. They make you believe you are avoiding failure. They make you think you are protecting yourself. But in reality, excuses are holding you back. They are keeping your dreams out of reach. They are stealing your time, your energy, and your potential. Every second you spend justifying why you can't start is a second lost. Every moment you hesitate is a chance wasted. Every excuse is a step backward from the life you want. The people who achieve greatness do not wait for perfect conditions. They do not wait for the right motivation. They do not wait for someone else to give them permission. They act. They move forward despite fear. They persist even when the odds are against them. You do not need to feel ready. You do not need clarity. You do not need approval from anyone. All you need is one choice, to act. One small step forward. One moment of courage. One decision to refuse excuses. Momentum comes from action. Confidence comes from persistence. Strength comes from refusing to wait. Your dreams will not wait. Your life will not pause. Your potential will not realize itself. Stop giving power to your excuses. Step forward. Act boldly. Persist relentlessly. Your life is waiting. Your time is now. Start making it happen. Every time you make an excuse, you are giving up a piece of your future. Every time you hesitate, you are delaying your dreams. Every time you wait for perfect conditions, you are settling for less than you are capable of. Excuses are comfortable. Excuses feel safe. Excuses let you stay in the familiar. But safe never changes your life. Comfortable never brings achievement. Familiar never creates success. The people you admire, the people you are inspired by, the people who achieved what you dream of. They did not wait. They did not hesitate. They did not make excuses. They acted. They moved forward. They persisted relentlessly. You are capable of more than you think. You are stronger than your doubts. You are braver than your fears, but all of that means nothing if you do not act. Start now. Take the first step. Move forward even when it is uncomfortable. Persist even when it seems impossible. Every small action compounds. Every choice to act builds momentum. Every moment you refuse to wait brings you closer to your dreams. Stop waiting for motivation. Stop waiting for permission. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Your time is now. Your life is waiting. Your dreams will not wait another second. Step forward. Act boldly. Persist relentlessly. Stop procrastinating. Start making your life happen. Think about all the times you told yourself, I will do it tomorrow. I am not ready yet. I will start when things are easier. All of those tomorrows have passed. All of those moments have slipped away. All of that waiting has cost you opportunities you will never get back. Excuses feel safe, but they are traps. They keep you from your potential. They hold your dreams hostage. The people who achieve greatness do not wait. They do not hesitate. They do not make excuses. They act. They move forward despite fear. They persist when others quit. You do not need perfect conditions. You do not need full clarity. You do not need confidence. You only need one choice, to start. One step forward. One small effort. One moment of courage. Momentum comes from action. Confidence comes from persistence. Strength comes from refusing to wait. Stop giving power to your excuses. Stop letting hesitation control your life. Stop delaying the future you deserve. Your time is now. Your life is waiting. Your dreams will not wait another second. Step forward. Act boldly. Persist relentlessly. Stop procrastinating. Start making your life happen. Every excuse you make is a delay in your life. Every hesitation is a barrier between you and your dreams. Every I'll start tomorrow is a moment of your potential wasted. Excuses feel safe. Excuses make you comfortable. Excuses let you avoid failure. But safe never changes your life. Comfortable never brings success. Avoidance never creates achievement. The people you admire, the people who inspire you, the people who achieved what you dream of, they did not wait. They did not hesitate. They did not make excuses. They acted. They moved forward. They persisted relentlessly. You are capable of more than you realize. You are stronger than your doubts. You are braver than your fears. But all of that potential means nothing without action. Start now. Take the first step. Move forward even when it is uncomfortable. Persist even when it seems impossible. Every small step compounds. Every effort builds momentum. Every moment you refuse to wait brings you closer to your dreams. Stop waiting for motivation. Stop waiting for permission. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Your time is now. Your life is waiting. Your dreams will not wait another second. Step forward. Act boldly. Persist relentlessly. Stop procrastinating. Start making your life happen. Think about all the dreams you've held inside. All the goals you've imagined. All the plans you've postponed because of fear, doubt, or hesitation. Now realize this: time will not wait for you. Opportunities will not pause for your readiness. Life will not stop for your comfort. Every second you delay is a second lost forever. Every excuse you hold onto steals from your potential. Every hesitation moves you further away from the life you want. The people who achieve greatness do not wait for perfect conditions. They act. They move forward despite fear. They persist even when the odds are against them. You do not need permission. You do not need full clarity. You do not need confidence to start. All you need is one choice, to act. One small step forward. One decision to refuse excuses. One moment of courage. Momentum is born from action. Confidence is built from persistence. Strength is forged by refusing to wait. Stop giving power to excuses. Stop letting hesitation control your life. Stop delaying the future you deserve. Your time is now. Your life is waiting. Your dreams will not wait another second. Step forward. Act boldly. Persist relentlessly. Stop procrastinating. Start making your life happen. This is it. The moment you stop waiting. The moment you stop hesitating. The moment you stop letting fear, doubt, or excuses control your life. Your life will not wait for you. Your dreams will not appear on their own. Your goals will not achieve themselves. Everything you want. Everything you dream of requires action. Requires courage. Requires persistence. You do not need perfect conditions. You do not need every answer. You do not need anyone's approval. All you need is one choice: to act. To take that first step. To move forward, even when it is uncomfortable. To persist, even when it seems impossible. Momentum will follow. Confidence will grow. Results will appear. Every moment you choose to act compounds. Every second you refuse to wait shapes your future. Every step forward brings you closer to your dreams. Stop waiting for motivation. Stop waiting for clarity. Stop waiting for permission. Your time is now. Your life is waiting. Your dreams will not wait another second. Step forward. Act boldly. Persist relentlessly. Make your life happen. Make your dreams real. Make this moment the start of everything you've ever wanted. Stop procrastinating. Start living. Your future begins now. Your time is now. And nothing, no fear, no doubt, no hesitation can stop you if you choose to act.